So today, students that come out and join us will be getting a little overview of what the rain garden does and how it is beneficial to water quality in the watershed. And they'll also be engaging in some mulching, vegetation maintenance. We've got some invasives like bush honeysuckle that's starting to show up around the edges, so removing things like that and gaining some awareness of why we want to manage invasive species.
I think it's important for students to get involved just as a way to give back to their college. In the College of Ag, I think a lot of people don't realize how involved you can be. So stuff like this is happening all the time. I feel like as a student, it's a good way to connect with nature and kind of take a break from the laptop. This is so much bigger than all of us. Being outside, taking care of our planet, it's just really important.
Ideally, our students, they're the next generation of leaders in our communities around the state. So them having the opportunity to learn about things like rain garden and other green stormwater infrastructure on campus, like our stream restoration sites, some of the detention chambers under our parking lots. It's really important that they have the opportunity to learn about them and take it back to their communities in the future.